You ever stop for a moment and think about how important trees are? Trees are necessary for our health and our well-being, and the well-being of generations to come. In specific, native trees have a special relationship with our communities. They are biologically adapted for our own location. Where I live in Hawaii, we share a home with some of the most rare and endangered species in America. Many of Hawaii's plant species are endemic, meaning you can't find them anywhere else in the world. These plants contribute to our unique biodiversity, which must be protected and in some cases re-established. The conditions found in Hawaii's fragile ecosystem serves as an example of how any decision that a human makes can drastically affect everything. And that is why it's critical for us to take an active role in making our ecosystems healthier and stronger. One way to do that is to plant indigenous plants and trees. No matter where you live, the native trees have adapted over centuries to your specific ecosystem, and they play an important role in the life cycle of the environment. Because the trees are already adapted, they require less long-term maintenance, and they're more likely to survive than introduced trees. Native trees inhale carbon dioxide, and they exhale fresh oxygen, giving us the air that we breathe. Native trees protect the soil from erosion and keep it healthy. The upper canopy of the rainforest catches the heavy rains and protects the soil below from direct impact. The fallen leaves provide organic mulch and nutrients for the topsoil. Native trees provide a home for native species, including endangered species. In Hawaii, most native birds will only nest in native trees, so as the trees go away, so do the birds. Native trees and plants provide clean water, natural flood control, recharge the groundwater, and help keep the streams flowing. Native trees and plants cool down the air temperature and provide shade. Their leaves absorb the sunlight through photosynthesis, creating the ideal conditions for dew, water retention, and low-level rain. Native plants and trees help us experience a connection with our local natural heritage and preserve our cultural values. Many indigenous tribes around the world actually believe that these native plants and trees are their relatives and their ancestors. Every human living today has a responsibility to leave this planet in better shape than we found it. Us humans are interconnected with the Earth's delicate ecosystems. We have the ability to change our environment. So why not change it for the better? And why not start now? Plant a native tree today and plant a wish for the future.
For more information on how you can plant a native tree in your neck of the woods, visit www.plantawish.org.
My wife's on coffee.